Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You have the iPhone 16 Pro Max ready. First, confirm iOS and Dynamic Island are enabled. Tap Settings, go to Display and Haptics, and turn on the feature if needed. Once done, restart the device to flush background processes because that prevents false behavior. Next, open Control Center and toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to prompt permissions. Make sure to grant app notifications and allow live activities. These are what Dynamic Island uses to show real-time content. You now configure how apps interact with the Dynamic Island. Go to Settings Notifications and enable live activities for the apps you want. This ensures they can push status updates. Then open Music or Maps and start playback or navigation. Observe how the island expands and shows controls. If you use third-party apps, grant background refresh and notification permissions so updates appear. Once configured, fine-tune banner styles and priority so important items persist, while less vital ones collapse quickly. You're at the final steps. Run mixed tests like receiving a call while navigation and a timer run to see how the island prioritizes. Observe touch targets for quick controls and gestures to expand or dismiss content. If the island misbehaves, force quit the offending app, then reboot. This typically fixes transient issues. Make sure apps and iOS are updated. If problems persist, reset settings or contact support. One key troubleshooting tip: check notification permissions first, because most island issues stem from blocked live activities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.